Hi beautiful angels, this is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot and this is your June love and money forecast for Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yes friends, for fire signs. I have already covered this reading in Hindi, so you can watch that if you want to. And friends, please do subscribe Magic Wins Tarot. Do like, share, subscribe, and do let me know. Do join. Click the bell icon, friends, so you never miss a reading whenever they are posted. Do join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot, and to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwinstarot.com, friends. Also friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign by any astrology is in fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, you can watch this reading. First I'll cover Aries, then Leo, and then Sagittarius one by one. And friends, let's see what will come for Aries. Let's start that. I have done these like earth, fire, water, air, and the Hindi versions are also there, so you can check that out. The July readings are also coming up. Some are posted already, so friends, make sure to check that out. So let's see Aries. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Aries, or if you know a Aries, you can cross watch it, friends, for them. So Aries, how the month of June will be for Aries. Ooh, stuck in my ring. No wonder Mercury is about to go retrograde. The effects are already here. The Devil, the Six of Cups, the Empress, Aries, wonderful. That's beautiful. The Page of Cups for Aries for the month of June. For Aries, ooh, the Hierophant in reverse. The Ten of Wands for Aries for the month of... Wow, your own card came. Page of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, ooh, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Aries, I definitely feel you could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or or someone from your own sign like Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You could be dealing with them in the month of June. I feel, you could also be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces for some of you, or maybe this person could be a earth sign, fire sign, but they have a strong water element in their chart, like a strong, a strong Venus, Moon, or Mercury is in water sign, their Venus, Moon, or Mercury. I feel this person is, there is someone who is obsessed about you, and you are obsessed about this person also in the month of June. There is some toxicity or some sort of a obsession or some sort of a either you are feeling very sexually drawn to someone, Aries, or you could be, if you are single, definitely you could be meeting someone from now till the next 30 days. So this is for the month, so you can take it whenever you watch it till the next 30 days, so from now to the next 30 days. So I definitely feel there is a very, very strong connection coming for you if you are single and ready to mingle. Absolutely, it could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I feel this person will be from your hometown, or you already know them, or they could be someone you work with or study with, something like that. I also feel if some of you will be dealing with a person from your past, this person is like someone you feel like is toxic to you, is addicted to your energy, or you feel addicted to their energy, this person and you are soulmates or twin flames. There is so much love, there is so much passion in this connection, but somehow you feel like this person is draining your energy, Aries. I feel you may feel very angry or upset. I feel like you are angry with this person or upset with this person. I think this person knows how to push your buttons, like irritate you in naughty ways, or maybe by knowing ways. So it's like irritating to you, or you feel like you want to move on from them, or you want to talk to them, but they keep avoiding you, they keep sneaking away from you. So you're frustrated with this person, or they are frustrated with you, Aries. I feel there is still a lot of love in this connection. This is someone you have. If you are like waiting for someone, yes, they are thinking about you. They have not forgotten you. This person wants to talk to you. You both actually love each other. There is this innocence of the heart, the friendship, the love is there. You both feel you are very soulmate types, twin flame energy types, you know. I also feel definitely this person is realizing your worth now. I think they left you, or you were not talking to them. I think this person has left you. You were not, and both of you are not in contact. And I feel now in the month of June or the next 30 days, this person is going to connect with your divinity, connect with your power, and realize, oh my God, what I had was the wifey material, the hubby material. So yes, friends, it is like, you know, this person wants to communicate things. They want to build things with you, I feel, in the month of June. Absolutely. This person wants to build things, get things done with you. And they see you as very nurturing, very caring Aries. And if, I also see that you will be choosing yourself rather than this connection. If they are toxic or draining your energy or making you very angry or upset, you will be choosing yourself, Aries, and maintaining some distance or pushing some, you know, like, maintaining some distance between you and them. You want constructive talk with this person. I think this person comes, talks, and then goes away, but like it's not like an everyday routine of talking that you are doing or they are doing. So you want everyday talking with this person. I feel they are very drawn to your energy, your Aries. They are very, very drawn to you. They want to share with you. They want to tell you things. They want to communicate with you. And I also feel this person is eyeing your social media. They are if you are single, this person is stalking your social media, trying to access whether you are single or coupled up, because they see marriage or wife or husband potential or long-term potential here. I definitely feel there will be chances of love or messages or news coming your way, emotional messages, and it will make you happy and excited. I also feel that some of you could be dealing with a third party situation. There may be a third party, like someone is married or someone is cheating or someone is not choosing you. They are choosing their family or career. You are frustrated with that and you feel very addicted to this person, and or chained to this person, like you can't forget them even when you want to move away. See, again there is this Two of Cups. I think this person, Aries, I think you will have a choice in love in the month of June. Like you can choose this person or love, or you can do what is right for you. I feel that's a very strong theme for you. There will be people coming, Aries, for you who will want to offer you love, commitment, friendship, but if some of them could be toxic, some of them could be your exes, because Mercury is going retrograde. So yeah, a lot of people from the past are coming, like ooh, 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 from everywhere. Like, you are like a magnet attracting all that, you know, and I don't think so you want that. You are like, nope, I am the emperor, I am the empress, I don't deal with it, you know. So you don't want that again. So you will be choosing, you will be choosing. If they behave right, Aries, you will say yes to them. If they are still behaving in their sneaky ways, you'll be like, bye bye baby, bye bye, I'm my own pretty boss here. And I feel someone also wants to do justice to you. Things were not they were not choosing you in the past. I feel like this person was not choosing you in the past and they want to choose you now and take a step towards you. This person was too much in their ego, their passion, their addictions, anger, or maybe if they have anxiety or something. I think you could be also feeling anxious about this love relationship or your love life in general, Aries, this month. This person definitely wants to open their heart and tell you how much they love you. They want to do things right, and I feel they will be. Let me just clarify the Ten of Wands here, because I feel it's like you have done the work and you don't want to mess with them again. It's like, nah, See, yeah, again, this you'll be focusing on celebrations, you'll be focusing on taking a break, or connecting with your friends, nurturing family members, or finding a new lover. If they come for a friendship, you'll be say like, yeah, fine, let's do it. You'll be successful in it. But if they again want to do a love relationship, or maybe again do this addiction or this coming and going, you'll be very frustrated. I feel this person has put you, some of you are, this person has put you in a third party, and there will be success coming out of for you. I feel like there will be, if this person left you for another person, I think they are regretting big time. It's like big time regret. It's like they are like, ooh, I have now 3 cups, but I lost the biggest vessel, the well of love was here, the goddess or the god of love is here, and I regret losing them. I feel you will be successful. If this person was not telling you their emotions or keeping you blocked, you will find the victory there, and some sort of a happy celebration is also coming your way, Aries. Definitely. I also see your friends coming and reuniting with you. A college reunion will happen, or maybe a function or something, or an office party, maybe online only, but it will bring some happiness to you. I also see there could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus who definitely wants to move towards you, tell you how much they love you. But I see you, Aries, you will be valuing yourself and not, see, again, the Queen of Swords and the Nine of Cups. You are very clear, Aries, what you want this month, and you will be getting it. Also, Aries, you are like, your wishes are coming very quickly true, like, yeah, your wishes are coming true so quickly. So you will be very bold, very clear in your communications, and I feel a lot of people are coming your way, Aries. Definitely in love, a lot of people. I will not say no. See why, and you are actually number, again 31 is here, so again number 3 and 1 is here. So 3 is about communications, 1 is about new beginnings. I think firstly you want to know why this person from your past or your current person is on your mind, why you can't forget them even when you have moved on, or why they affect you so much, why this relationship affects you so much. I think I need to do that. What is this connection, reading. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to do that reading. What type of a connection is this? Is they karmic or twin flame? Because I feel you feel frustrated with this person. You want to know the answer. You want to know the answer, Aries. You are like, no. And I feel you choosing yourself. Deep knowing. See, number 43. You know something that this other person doesn't know, or you will get to know something in the month of June or in the month of July also. I feel there will be a clarity coming in your love life. I also feel if you are married, you can have that family expansion, childbirth, some good news. If you are, some of you could already be pregnant, so expecting a baby in July or maybe August. So yeah, you already know, I see this as a birthing card also. Let's see what other messages are coming for you, Aries. Okay. Confront. See, number 18. You want to confront your shadow. You want to confront others. You are bold. You are this queen. You are bold. You are wise. You speak your mind, and no settling for less. I think there will be a lot of friendships also coming your way, and someone from your past or your twin flame or the toxic, or not, I wouldn't say toxic, but like someone who pushes your button is coming towards you. You might have to question them. I also feel this relationship is kind of scary for you because this person is non-committal, or they keep putting you in third party, or they do not choose you when it's time. So you need to ask them why they are doing this, or what is their actual meaning. Do they want to stay? For Aries angels for the month of June. Wow, again control. See, again it's about the mind for you. You are very clear. You are very logically thinking this month. you don't want anything, you are ready for the Mercury retrograde. I think any sign which is ready for Mercury retrograde and communication errors is Aries, because you have decided you will not take any mess from anyone. Know what you want, you will speak it. I think someone is controlling their emotions for you, or their mind is controlling their feelings, so they will try to come forward and share their heart with you. Opportunity beckons. Number 4, absolutely, this person wants to take a step towards you and be with you. I think this person and you have talked a lot in the past, or maybe there were times when, or they you both imagine of talking through long nights or something like that. I feel this person, I think they may return, but you may move forward. I don't know why, but I see that if they don't fix their game, you may move forward, Aries. So let's see what's coming next for Aries. Okay, one card dropped out. Oh, okay. I'll just I wanted to shuffle them, but they're just coming out like that. Okay, all the cards want to fly out in bunches only for you, Aries. So that's it. Let's take them. Weeping Willow, family sorrow. Yeah, definitely you could be facing some family issues, or maybe your person, your partner, your ex, your twin flame, husband or wife is facing some family issues. There may be, they are not choosing you, they had to marry or choose another person, but they still love you. They could be coming back towards you, or they are married already but they still love you. So they could, or they have an apology or clarity, or they need to tell you something, or you may be anxious about your family also. A goal-oriented person, target. I think, Aries, your eyes are on your career, your focus, your self-individuality, or your self. You are choosing yourself. You are on target, and nothing can change that. Lily, spiritual love. Yeah, definitely you are very, very spiritually connected with this person. It is frustrating for you. It is frustrating for them. For some of you, it is like forbidden love, like love that is not at all accepted, maybe because of the age difference, or cultural differences, or religious differences. It could be a love. It's a spiritual, but it's somehow not accepted, or there is some age gap, or both of you are married, Aries, or one of you is, or planning to get married. Mule, someone is extremely stubborn and unwilling to change. I think that is how you feel this person is that's coming in your life, or the ex-person is. They are very stubborn. They don't listen to you. They do what they want, and it drives you crazy. I think I'm using all the correct words, all the good words, because I don't want to use bad words on YouTube, because it's a medium, it's a good medium. I don't want I usually don't use bad words, but I think you might want to say them something nice. You need to defend yourself. See, you are shielding your heart. Absolutely. I think they are also shielding their heart. They need to open it. Mountain road. You are on the road to success. Happiness is coming your way. I told you money is coming your way. See, pay attention to your finances. Your focus, Aries, is mostly on work, and also on self-worth, choosing yourself. Take care of, there will be a loss of material wealth, shark. See, I think you can, Aries, your intuition will be very sharp this month. So you should use your intuition. If you feel like, something, you shouldn't overspend your money. So you shouldn't, because there is a chance, your intuition will be guiding you this month, so you don't have to worry anything, Aries. So that's it for now. Please do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share. Do let me know if this reading resonated with you, friends. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. And friends, you can watch the July readings also. I have done the July pick a card readings, and the horoscope readings are starting also. So you can watch that also. So let's begin for Leos. So if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign by any astrology is in Leo, this reading is for you, friends. If you know a Leo, you can cross watch this reading for them. It is for the month of June, and I have already done this in Hindi, so you can watch that also, friends. And let's see, Leos, what's coming for you in the month of June 2020. Okay, the Ten of Wands, the Hierophant in reversed. For Leos, the Four of Cups. Oh, the Three of Swords. Oh my God. And the Five of Pentacles in reverse for Leos. The Celebration, Three of Cups. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Justice, Eight of Swords. Clarify the Three of Swords, angels. Okay, the Empress. Clarify the Five of Pentacles. Alrighty. So Leos, I think you're working very hard this month, Leos. Absolutely. You start the month feeling like you have to finish a lot, or you are managing a lot, your relationships, your work, everything. You are working a lot, Leos, and I feel it's draining you. It's making you feel tired. I think Leo, some things are not going well in your life. Let me just take a clarifier. I think some things are not going well. It could be a work situation, or someone is in long distance with you, or a marriage where the partner or husband or wife is away from you. You could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or you could, I feel like first and foremost, Leos, I feel you are tired. You are overworking yourself, and you are putting everything, whether it is in your relationships or your love life or your work and finances, and I feel there you are missing out on love. It is like you want this marriage or this commitment, but somehow it is not happening, or maybe this person is not ready. I feel maybe, Leos, you are dealing with a person who is already married, or who is engaged, or who is not yet ready to be in a committed partnership with you, or there is some issue. I feel this person is coming very, I feel like I'm getting two energies here. Okay, for some of you, there is this new person, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, coming very quickly into your life. This seems like a destined relationship, a marriage, but I think, or they could already be in your life, Leos, but somehow you are not seeing them because you are so obsessed with your work, or maybe you are married, or this person is married, or they are in another relationship, Leos. I feel like maybe their parents or their family, or you both, or maybe this quarantine situation is not letting you meet. Maybe they are in your surroundings, that this person you are destined to be, but maybe they are you are not able to meet them, or they are not able to meet you. I feel, Leos, you definitely feeling like something is missing out in your love life. You are unhappy because you had been working. I feel some of you, Leos, are single, and some of you are waiting for a past person, and you are like not happy with the people that are coming your way. You want that past person, that relationship you had, that twin flame, that husband or wife, that ex-husband or wife. Some of you could be dealing with an ex-husband or wife also, or someone you talked marriage with. I definitely feel there is this person coming with an offer of a reunion, or someone is definitely going to offer you to reconnect with them, or talk with them, or try to be your friend or something, Leos. But I feel like, you won't be ready because you are tired. I feel, Leos, you are very tired. Maybe someone has hurted you in the past, and you are not ready for love or relationship. You are focusing on yourself. I also feel like this person who is in your life is mirroring your energy. It is like the person who is coming towards you, this Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This person is hurt, They have a closed heart, although they are very nurturing, caring, but they are very protective of their heart. There has been some heartache they have shared or they have experienced. If you are really single, Leo, this person could have an identical history like yours. Like, they are achievers, they work hard, but they also have this, bad luck in love or relationships or marriages. So they are very similar to you. If you already know this person, I think they could be, there is some issue about commitment here. Maybe this person is not choosing you. They keep seeing you, but they don't take action. I see them making a move towards you. But I feel, Leos, you will not be ready for them, or they will still not tell you everything about themselves, because I see, you are hurt with this person. You are hurt by them, and they are hurt, or I think you are hurt, Leos. You feel like they left you out in the cold, they never choose you. This situation, this relationship, I think for some of you this is a marriage or an ex-marriage or an ex-lover, twin flame, and this relationship is keep going in circles. It is like at a pause since a very long time. You both had, you both keep blocking or leaving each other again and again. You are both very hurt by each other, and you haven't forgotten. Neither you have forgotten, Leos, neither they have forgotten. This relationship as it is at a standstill, at a pause since a very, very long time, and you can't forget them, they can't forget you. They will make a move towards you. I feel like this person will have to convince you to open your heart or talk to them, but eventually you will talk to them, Leos, and you will have a good time or some happy celebrations with them. For others of you, I feel this is a brand new person in your life, maybe at your work, career, job, or maybe at your class or something. But Leos, you are not seeing them because you are hurt, because you are waiting for the past relationship, or you are waiting to recover from your past issues. You are also working very hard, so you are not focusing on the love that is present near you. And I feel something will wake you up, or some maybe at a friend's party or some sort of a celebration, you are going to talk with this person and it will change things. I feel, Leos, a lot of justice will be coming your way, things falling into place. If you are feeling overworked, over anxious, or you are unlucky in love, it will change, friends, in the month of June. Things will change for you in your favor, and you will be able to lift off these, lift off the restrictions and move towards the person you like. I definitely see your love life progressing and balance coming. I feel for some of you this is a destined connection. No matter how much you want to escape from them, this person and you keeps coming back. See, 9 of Cups of happiness and 2 of Cups of happiness. I feel for some of you, Leos, you could be getting either you or this person is married or they are in another relationship, and some of you or either both of you or one of you could be moving out of a heartache or a breakup, and it is when that happens that you both are going to meet and a lot of happiness and justice will happen and love will come. I also feel if this is a new person, you will if you are not choosing them, God will do something. God will push you like, Leo, see, this is the one for you. Leo, see, this is the one for you. So it's like God pushing you. So justice will happen, clarity will come, happy celebrations, a very, very perfect partnership, a divine connection. I feel you should leave your past or your fears behind, Leos. Let's see advice for Leos. You definitely are feeling overworked. You definitely are missing someone. Ooh. So advice for Leos. Wow, Unfinished Symphony number 10. See, this is a past cycle, or this is like a relationship coming back for you, or maybe this person has destiny with you, and maybe this is a new person. I feel it is a new person for some of you. For other 50-50, for others it's someone from your past. You have some story or some destiny with this person. Number 10 is also luck, lucky number, about luck, then the wheel of fortune. I feel this person could be an artist, musician, singer, or you both could be artist. See, milk and honey, number 51. I think this will be a very nurturing connection, very happy and friendly connection. You both will feel very, very happy, positive, and connected together. But I think you will, it will take some amount of work for you to open your heart again, Leos. If this is a past person who has hurted you, it is going to take some time or some comfort or some patience for both of you to open up. Let's see for Leos, what is the message? For Leos, what's the message? See, helpless and hopeless. Yeah, you are feeling very, I told you, this is the... see, this is the 8 of Swords, feeling helpless, feeling hopeless. But see, you also have the 9 of Cups. So love is definitely coming your way. I think you will have a choice, Leos. I told you, you will have a choice. You can go the way things have always been, or choose the person you have always been with, or choose a brand new path. And I think you are scared of breaking free of a marriage or a partnership which is not working out. I feel this is like maybe they are in a position where things are not working out. You know, it's already, you have a choice, Leo. You have a choice, and absolutely it seems scary for you, but it will be a destined option. It will bring you the sunrise, you see. For Leos, advice for Leos: just breathe and manifest. See, I told you, I think you are getting very worked up and you are feeling anxious, like what will happen, and what if I choose this, what if I choose then, how things will go, what will happen. I think you should relax. Things are working out for you already. This is destined, Leos. This is destined. Nothing and no one can stop this. Neither can you, neither can this person. And focus on manifesting. I think you are trying too hard on a relationship or a love life that's not working. But if you try to manifest a new person or something, like just manifest anything you want, it is going to happen for you. Absolutely. You are on the right path. So you have 1, 4, 8. Absolutely, Leos. This is a powerful month for you. Absolutely. Go for it, friends. Go for it and manifest. Don't feel stuck. See, Lion, time to act. See, this is your time to manifest things you desire. Keep some patience and be bold. Be bold and take the move, even if it doesn't feel like... I will not... I want to shuffle them. They fall before I shuffle only. I want to shuffle them a bit for Leos. Any other message for Leos? Okay. Okay. I think there are quite a few cards. Let me see. Okay. So you have the Lion, time to act. Yes, be bold, take action, victory in some endeavor. Absolutely. I think this may be someone from your past coming back. You once wanted to marry them, but you both decided to marry other persons. Or maybe you are both single now, right now, so you will want to connect. You will find a victory in something which you thought was lost, or in something brand new. Manifest, friends. Get back to basics, quill. So absolutely, friends, don't be so scared. You know, you can do it. Money path, a path with money is waiting for you. Maybe, you know, I feel money and career success will be coming for you because you do have the victory card, Leo. I also feel this is like this person, and you may meet this person through work or together. You may have some common work or something like project. Someone is gossiping about all your secrets. So yeah, there could be a chance. I think that's what you fear. What will people say if I take this choice? What will they say if I take that choice? They are going to say anything. They are going to say something, friends. So eventually you should do what you want to do. Stepping into a new experience. See, this is what you want, Leos. You want that change. You want that... Where is it? You want to make a brave choice. Go for it, friends. I see. Rainbows, the most difficult part of a situation is over, so definitely hope will be coming over for you. Misunderstanding, there may have been a misunderstanding in a relationship. It will heal, things will get better, happiness will come for you, Leos. News of a birth or a new business opportunity will be coming your way, and I think definitely some career success is also coming, or you may meet this through career, this office or studies, something, this person. Kite, a vacation. So I feel like some of you may have gone, may want to go on a trip with this person, or you both are from different cities or countries. I also feel like you want some, it's like just breathe, relax, take the time out. Don't be so hard on yourself, Leos. That's it for now. Please do subscribe, like, and share Magic Vans Tarot. Do let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com, friends. And join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. And do subscribe, friends, and click the bell icon. And this is Mystic C saying bye. So friends, for Sagittarius, let's see how your month will be. Let me just shuffle the cards a bit. How are you, Sagittarius? So this reading is for Sagittarius. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Sagittarius by any astrology, this reading is for you, friends. And oops. Alrighty, Sagittarius, let's see how your month of June will be, or the next 30 months or 30 days from now will be for you. Sagittarius, what's happening for Sagittarius for the month of June? Let's see. Oh my God, anxiety, Nine of Swords, the Page of Cups. What's happening for Sagittarius for the month of June? The King of Cups, the Page of Cups for Sagittarius. Ooh, the Queen of Wands. Wow. You could be dealing with a family, I feel like. This feels like a family. The Lovers. See, the family card came out. See? There is the family card, the Ten of Cups. You could be dealing with family, yours or someone else's family. Three of Cups, Eight of Pentacles. And the Nine of Pentacles. Wow, this is amazing. Let me see. I don't know why you are worried, Sagittarius. What's making you so worried? Ooh. You could be dealing with a twin flame, Sagittarius. I feel you start the month, or you are right now feeling very, very anxious. Your emotions are all over the place, or maybe someone is missing you. They feel like losing their sleep over you. I feel this person has been very defensive in their emotions, or they were very scared or insecure in telling you how they feel. I feel this person is your twin flame, Sagittarius. I also feel like you could be feeling very anxious, or you could be feeling like you don't have time for love or relationships, because you have a lot on your plate, Sagittarius. I feel like you are dealing with family, or taking care of your mother, father, or a brother or a sibling. So you have a lot on your plate right now. I feel a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person could be important for you, Sagittarius, or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. I feel this person will be, someone is there, Sagittarius, who is feeling very anxious. They have not shared their feelings. They had been defensive with you in the past. They want to come towards you in this month, offer you, or they may message you, but it will be like, a very quiet gesture of, hi, how are you? It's like, it doesn't seem like something very strong. I feel this person has, they may have already messaged you, but it was like an immature kind of a thing. They did something to you, like they immaturely came and said something, and you were like, no, what's going on? I think this person has matured up, or they want to mature up for you, and they will again come back and message you with a proper maturity, or they might apologize or something. I think this person has realized that you are their queen or their king, and they see in your power, they see your social media. I also feel maybe you were with this another person from your past, but now you will be choosing a new person, and the past person will have sleepless nights over you. It's like you are rocking, babes. You are rocking, you know. You are the diva, you are the boss. If you are a male, you may choose a new person and let go of another person, or you may find a new admirer, and you may like the other person who wants to be with you, or you were in a commitment with them. They will feel like, what's happening here, you know? I think this past person is watching your social media or stalking you, and when they do see you with other people, or when they do see you are having more suitors, it kind of makes them jealous. It kind of makes them feel they want to mature up quickly for you, and I think they will mature up and offer you something substantial. I feel like, you know, you will definitely be having like some of you Sagittarius are leaving this connection to fate, to God. Like, you don't know what to do with this person. Sometimes they are immature, sometimes they are mature, sometimes they are passionate, sometimes they don't know what they are doing themselves, so you don't know what they are doing. I feel your connections, your love life, your life in general, Sagittarius, is affected by your family. Your mother, your father could also be affecting your love life, or your partner's love life is affected by their family. But you know, this person wants to come towards you and tell you everything. This person feels you are their missing piece, or they will discover this thing in the month of June, and they will want to explore or share or express their feelings and completely tell you the truth about themselves, and that will bring a stability in this connection. I think this has been a very, very, you know, like this, it's like a graph. It's like a never stable relationship for you. But now, when they do share, or you both share openly with each other, then things will become stable, and your family, or you will feel like family, or if there are issues in the family, that will resolve, and then your love life will progress, Sagittarius, smoothly. I see someone wants to work on your connection, and you also want to work with them. I feel this person lives at a long distance. They are not in contact with you. They are watching your social media, losing sleep over you, and you are like, what is this going on with this person? They may have messaged you already, but they will message you again with the proper maturity, because I think they messed up in the first time, or when they recently messaged you. I think there will be a lot of happiness coming for you, maybe a wedding, or maybe some birthdays coming. Your own birthday could be coming in July or August, Leos, or if this person's birthday could be a Cancer, so maybe their birthday is coming, so that will be a happy day for all of you. I feel that you will also be celebrating extra money coming your way, success in work coming your way. I see you focused more on work and family. You could be handling more of your family issues, but this person is dead set on being mature for you and giving you this lifelong commitment. If you are already married, I feel like your partner's work or their family could be affecting your love life. So it will take some time before things will get normal again. Maybe for work they have to travel, or they have to go and live somewhere, or maybe your husband or wife is not in contact right now, or they are not in the same city because of the quarantine and all those things. So this will get healed for you, Sagittarius. I see money coming your way, absolutely, and a birthday celebration or an anniversary coming your way, or maybe you could be having a child's birthday also. I am sensing a child's birthday is also coming. So for Sagittarius, what's the advice? What else would you like to say? Yang, see, bold, be bold, take action. I told you, you are. Wow, you don't trust this person. I told you, you don't trust them. You're like, what is this person? They keep coming in and out of my life. No, they don't keep coming in and out of their life. It's like they are sometimes very casual, sometimes they are very serious, sometimes they are very passionate, and sometimes they are a complete mess. So you don't know what this person is doing. I think they love you a lot, but they wear this mask. They are very defensive, they are losing sleep over you. I think this person needs to come and share their emotions completely with you, and they will, and or they might in the month of June, and they are your soulmates. You both will realize, you both will support each other. For some of you, you will be very bold. You will be in this Aries, Leo, Sagittarius bold energy, go getting energy, and you will like, you made to start talking with other people, and this is what will, make this person go, what. So they will be like, okay, I'm coming back, what happened? So that is the energy. If they see you with another person, this person is like going so jealous, it will force them to become mature and return back to you. Let's see, what is the card? Daydreams and decisions. I told you, all the fire signs are dealing with decisions. I think someone is dreaming a lot about you but not acting on their desires, so that needs to change, or will change in the month of June. I also feel someone, if they do not express or show their true self, you will not believe them, or you will move on, but I think they will express their true emotions. See, flow, just breathe and healing begins. So absolutely, this person or this relationship will be healing. Also, tensions or worries in your family life will be healing in the month of June. Just breathe and relax. I think this is your twin flame, or you both are strong soulmates, because you have this soulmate card here. So things are flowing for you in the right direction. This connection will heal. Your worries and tensions will heal. This is the time to keep your heart open. I think you also need to let go of the past issues in some way. I think you are also working very hard, Sagittarius, so you need to cut that, relax, take a breath and chill down, and chill a little so that you can enjoy the happiness of love that's coming your way. For Leos, what's going to happen for Leos in the month of July or June? I don't know why I said July. Maybe July is when this will happen for Sagittarius. Okay, there are too many. For Sagittarius, oh my god, that's a lot of cards. Let's see. See, victory in some endeavor is coming for you, absolutely. Not just victory, I feel a lot of money is also coming, or a promotion is coming for some of you. Archway, new opportunities, possibilities and paths are opening up for you. So absolutely, friends, new paths are opening for you. Friends. Purse, pay attention to your finances. Friends, it is time. Your finances may be like, you could be working too hard because of money. So, or you could be worried about money issues. Don't worry, money is coming your way. Ram, a stubborn, aggressive person. So you could be dealing with the Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person yourself, or you might feel very stubborn regarding this situation of the past or this person. Lobster, financial pinch. Yeah, you are very worried about all the fire signs are worried about money, or they are focused more on career in the month of June. And but don't worry, money is coming your way. Ring, a marriage will take place, either romantic or business. So absolutely, I told you, a commitment is going to happen whether you like it or not, or some sort of a talk will happen with this person. New opportunities, possibilities and paths opening up for you. So absolutely, new things are coming your way, Sagittarius. Your worries will heal, and you need to relax a little bit. You are working very hard, Leo. I don't know why I said Leo. Sagittarius, sorry friends. So that's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share. Do let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. Friends, this is Mystic C saying bye.